Alright, what's happening everybody? Excuse me, I just woke up, but I threw on the revenge shirt to let you guys know. Thanks for watching. I am editing the video, but I am participating in Vlogmas, so I'm going to be vlogging every single day for the next 31 days. So, disregard that I didn't post on December 1st. I'm still going to do 30 to 31 days, but I will become a daily vlogger, and this is going to be crazy, so shout out to everybody that's going to join me for this wild ride and watch me as I wear a new t-shirt every day. And yeah, really the inspired of this was Adam22, and yeah, I'll link his first Vlogmas video down below if you guys have never heard of him. But I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join me while I vlog every day for the month of December. So we out. Yo, what's going on you guys? So I'm back at my house right now. It is time for me to open up the revenge shirt, along with, here's the revenge shirt I'm guessing, and then here is my official quote unquote merch or whatever. I would prefer calling it a clothing line. One of them is a giveaway winner, sending this person everything that they won, and it'll be 2 long sleeves along with a short sleeve right in here, and I've got one for myself as well, and then 2 stickers. So shout out to that person. So first we got here, packaging is nice. I will leave down in the description down below what website I got this off of. And is this how you guys open up these packages? I'm not sure. Ooh, okay, so first glance it's folded nicely, and I'm liking that print on there, to be honest with you. That is actually pretty cool. It's like, kind of reminds me of like airbrush, but I doubt it's airbrush. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Oh, I was waiting for like a label or something. TeePublic is the website I got it off of. So yeah, Revenge, pretty sure they made this. I've seen this logo on fanny packs, all kinds of stuff. Ooh, okay, so inside of here it says TeePublic. Oh. Revenge. This is what you guys are basically gonna expect if you guys want to purchase this. To me, it's looking pretty quality. It does say TeePublic in the tag there. Let me go ahead and throw it on. It does look like a premium shirt because you can usually tell by the sleeves at the end there. They kind of are like a bit bigger, you know what I mean? And just quality. Put it on for you guys to see what it looks like on me. This is what it looks like when it's all on. You know what I gotta do. Okay, so aside from the t-shirt smelling really kind of funky, it smells like, you know, at school they had those like tacos rolled up or whatever. No, they're like taquitos. Pretty sure taquitos. This is what this shirt smells like. Just know that it's smell like taquitos. But I love this shirt. The graphic's nice and big enough for me. I'm gonna keep it nice as I can. I'm really digging it. Put it over here. One of my shirts. And then maybe another shirt I'm fucking with over here. See, as far as fit goes, you know, this is a large. It's kind of small, but quality, print-wise, you know, fire. That's the logo, I'm pretty sure. Quote me if I'm wrong. I know it's backwards, I'm in a mirror. But I mean, it could have been like a cheaper shirt. I'm not really sure how to rate this. It's what you get, you know, kind of for money-wise. If you guys want to go to that website, you can as well. Yeah, maybe I should record my face a little bit more when I talk. Let me know if I don't do that enough. The way my hat sitting on my head is really funny, that's why I was kind of avoiding that, but I'm really digging the freaking revenge shirt. Let's go ahead and get into my clothing. Alright you guys, I gotta kind of cover my label, but this is basically what you guys will get when you get one of my shirts here. So yeah, I'll ship it right to you guys. These are the premium shirts. This is premium printing. Let's go ahead and open one of these up. One of these is not mine. This medium here is for the winner. So if you want to know something about the winner here, they're medium. Here's my large. I typically like to get the largest, so here's my large. Let's go ahead and open it up. Really soft, you guys. I'm really excited. I love these shirts from here. And yeah, this is what you guys will get. Here is your LYV gang shirt. I kind of made it small, but it is perfectly centered. Ground. I might make them a little bigger in future, but I got this one right here right now. But yeah, the details are really nice on here. I can blow this up a bit bigger, but I think I purposely went a little smaller this time around. Extra large is pretty large as well. But I'm washing my current one, the one that goes on the side, and seeing if that can be fitted better. But damn, I actually do like this a lot. I kind of do like that it's small. It's actually pretty fire about the size that it is. And it's kind of long too. I do like the way my shirt fits a little better. Not kidding. But the revenge shirt's good. It just almost feels like my shirt has like a little oomph to it. You know what I'm saying? Like the way it fits my shoulders here and everything. Look at that. And the way, the length, the width. Wow. So what do you guys think? I'm really digging the LYV shirt. I'm sorry about my pants being weird. I was gonna go work out, but I gotta go to work now. I'm gonna try to wear this on Black Friday because we gotta wear out black. And I feel like they might not say anything because, you know, first of all, I'm working Black Friday for them. Anyways, no, but because it's such a small logo and it's my brand, so we'll see. We're supposed to wear all black anyways. And people wear weird things. The people that I work with. So yeah, I gotta go to work, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys. Hashtag LYV gang, anything. I will check it out on Instagram. We out.
Never had a fucking pot to piss in. Now I got the pot to go, I'm on another mission. Searching for fucks to be given.